Hello everyone, Karan here, back with another tech video. Now, I went out on a little window shopping and I got this with me. So by now you must have known what this package actually contains. It is the MI Pocket Speaker 2. Now, I'm very excited to review this product because I have been planning to buy this for a very long time, but after seeing a lot of negative reviews about this, I still went ahead and bought this device nonetheless. And why I bought this, I'm going to share with you after my unboxing and my full review. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, let's just jump into the review and see what the speaker has to offer. Now let's start off by checking out the basic specification of the speaker. This speaker is rated at 7 hours of battery life and it comes with a 1200 milliampere battery, and the charging time that is rated is 3 hours, so it would take up to 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100, and it comes with 6 months of warranty at MI India. The maximum output of these speakers are rated at 5 watt, and it's upward spiraling speakers. This is the swivel knob for volume over here. This mesh over here, it's made out of cloth, and this in itself is made out of some very solid plastic and ceramic material. It's very solid feeling in hand and is one of the best design Bluetooth speakers at this range that I can find till date. Let's just get into the sound quality. So you press the button like this over here and you can see it turned on. Now it is paired to my laptop, so just let me check if it's connected to my laptop or not.
Connected successfully.
Great, so it's connected and it's given a voice indication as well that it's connected. Let's start by listening to something. So I'll start off with 15% audio. Okay, can't really hear that. Let's increase it to 25%. Now you can also do 31%, 44, 50, 63, 69, 76, 82, 94. and you can just tap here and it will pause the music that you were listening to. The knob controls the master volume on your laptop or your phone, and this will help you in pausing or playing the track that you're playing on your phone or laptop equally. It doesn't get terribly loud, which I know many people have a problem with, but it gets decently loud for me for a 60-70 square foot room. You are wanting a good designed speaker, a speaker that focuses a lot on vocals, treble. It gives a preference to trebles, and there's good audio separation at 5 watts. Then this speaker is definitely for you. Would I spend 1500 for this again? Yes, I can completely do it because this suits the sound that I require. If your budget is $14.99, give these speakers a try. Just alone the build and the design quality should be enough to sway you to buy these speakers. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. For buying these speakers, the links will be in the description. Buy from those, it helps out the channel a lot. And also like the video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such content, and I will also be bringing out some speaker comparisons for the same. Alright, thank you so much, guys.